Hi everyone, welcome to Music Assembly number 3. Today, some old songs, some new songs, and a rhythm warm-up. So listen and join in with whichever parts you like. It starts off with this. Drums, 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 drums,
What guitar?
drums,
What guitar?
drums,
What guitar?
drums,
What guitar?
Drum
on the
bass,
rumble on the bass,
Drum
rumble on the bass, rumble on the bass,
Drum
rumble on the bass, rumble on the bass,
Drum
rumble on the bass, 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 rumble on the bass.
Oh, start that beat. Okay, my turn, and then your turn. Ready? Nya 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 pa 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 Ready? Oleo, 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 olai lai le, ola la, 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 ola, ola la, ola, ola la, oleo, 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 olai lai le, ola la, 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 ola, ola la, ola, ola la, oleo, 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 olai lai le, ola la, 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 ola, ola la, ola, ola la, oleo, 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 olai lai le, ola la, 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 ola, ola la, ola, ola la. Alright, this week Old Freedom Train is going to be around in 2 parts. So I'm going to start off, and then the other Mr. Kimmonses are going to join in slightly later. So you choose who you're going to sing along with, but you're going to try and stick with that group and not start singing along with a different group halfway through. If you have other people in your house, you can be in different groups, and then you'll be doing the round yourselves as well. Okay? So I'll start off, and the other group will join in a moment. Off we go. This old freedom train has been a long time coming. Ain't nobody can afford it, so you better get on coming. Give me that freedom, give me that freedom, give me that freedom, freedom, give me that freedom, give me that freedom. This old freedom train has been a long time coming. Ain't nobody can afford it, so you better get on coming. Give me that freedom, give me that freedom. Give me that freedom, freedom, freedom. Give me that freedom, give me that freedom. This old freedom train has been a long time coming. Ain't nobody
This old freedom train has been a long time coming.
Give me that
Nobody can afford it,
freedom,
so
give me
you
that
better get on board it.
freedom,
Give me that freedom, give me that freedom, give me that
This
freedom.
old freedom train has been a long time coming. Ain't
This
nobody
old
can
freedom
afford
train
it,
has
so
been
you
a
better
long
get
time
on
coming.
board. Give me
Ain't
that
nobody can afford
freedom,
it,
give
so
me
you
that
better get on board
freedom,
it.
give me that freedom.
Give me that freedom.
Alright, on to new songs. We're going to learn 2 new short songs, and they're called partner songs because 2 people singing the different songs at the same time sounds really good. Now they're a bit different from the songs we've done so far because they have a 3-beat pulse. So they don't go along 1, 2, 3, 4. They go more like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A bit of a bouncier feel. You can kind of imagine it going ba 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 like that. You can also practice this pulse on some different things in your house, a bit like this. Down here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, to really get you in the mood for these songs. Now, the first song is all about bottles of pop. It's simple, but quite rhythmic. So, listen carefully. I'll do it a few times. Join in when you think you've got it. 1, 2, 3, 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop, 2, 3, 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop, back to 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottles of pop, 3 bottles of pop, 4 bottles of pop, 5 bottles of pop, 6 bottles of pop, 7 bottles of pop. That's it. That's song number 1. And the partner song to that song is called Don't Throw Your Junk in My Backyard. So I'll sing it for you again. You join in when you get to know it and have a practice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your junk in my backyard, my backyard's full. Okay guys, 2 new things for you to learn and the old songs for you to try and practice now in their final state. I hope you have fun doing it. As always, if you want to do a little video of you doing any of the songs and send it to school, that's awesome. But have fun making music yourself and with your family. Take care and I'll see you soon.